Hello students, welcome back to our class. Today we will start our first topic from the chapter Parts and Wholes. The topic is our flag. Students, you have seen our national flag. On Independence Day, Republic Day, we have flag hosting in our school. So you have seen that national flag. Students, how many colors are there in our national flag? Yes, we know that there are three colors in our national flag. That is saffron, white and green. Do you know what is the shape of our national flag? Yes, the shape of our national flag is rectangle, or it is rectangular in shape. You have seen the national flag, but students, do you know how to draw the national flag? Yes, here is one clue. To draw our national flag, as it is rectangle in shape, first of all we have to draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeter and width 6 centimeter, and divide that rectangle into three equal parts and give saffron color on the top, white in the middle and green color at the bottom, and draw an Ashok Chakra in the middle of the white band. Here the question is, the top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. What is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? As it is rectangle, we have taken 9 centimeter. It is divided into three equal parts. So each part we can refer 1/3 or 1/3 of the part, whole part. So the middle 1/3 of the flag will be white. That is, what is the color of the middle 1/3 flag? It is white in color. Where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? Next question is, where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? Yes, we drew the Ashok Chakra in the middle of the white band. Now see what is given next question. How much of the flag will you color green? As it is divided into three equal parts, all the parts will be equal in size. So each part we can refer 1/3. So the green color of the flag will be 1/3 of the whole part. Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? If the white band is less than 1/3 of the part, say the reason why it is less than 1/3 part. Yes, we know that there is Ashok Chakra placed in the middle of the white band. So the size of the white band will be less than that of saffron and green. So it will be less than 1/3 of the part. Now let's see the next picture in this topic. This is the flag of Afghanistan. See this flag and answer the question, how much of it is black? This is also rectangle in shape. It is divided into three equal parts, black, red and green. The question is, how much of the flag is black in color? It is divided into three equal parts. So the 1/3 of this flag is black in color. Question 2 is, the green part of the flag can be written as how much? The green part also can be written as 1/3 of the whole. Question 3 is red less than 1/3 of the flag? If it is less than 1/3, why? Yes, the red part of this flag is also less than 1/3 because there is a logo in the middle of that band. This is also just like our national flag. In our national flag, the white band is less than that of saffron and green. Here also the red color is less than that of, or less than 1/3 of the whole part. The third picture in this topic is the flag of Myanmar, our neighboring country's flag. In this flag, it has two colors only, blue and red color. See the picture, students, and the question is blue more than 1/4 of the flag or less? To find the answer for this question, students, first of all we have to divide this flag into four equal parts and find whether the blue part is less than 1/4 of the part. Here I am dividing this flag into four equal parts. See children, when I divided, we found that the blue colored part is less than of 1/4 of the part. So we have to write the answer for that question. The blue part is less than 1/4 of the whole part. The next question is, guess how much of the flag is red? Is it more than half? Is it more than 3/4? From the picture we understood that the red part is more than half and also more than 1/3 of the 1/3/4 of the part. So we have to write yes, the red part of this flag is more than half and 3/4 of the whole part. Students, today this much only. I hope all of you understood what today I have explained. Next class I will come with the next topic.